Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021, wow, I almost lost it there. 2021 Ford Mustang Mach E. Yes, a Mustang SUV. Some people love it, some people hate it. I am part of the former. I like it a lot, and I understand why they use the Mustang name. Now I wish this isn't technically a Mustang, it is the Mach E, just use the Mustang name. But in the electric SUV segment, and even in the SUV segment, this is one of the better driving versions. It's actually really fun to drive, and it actually is just as quick as an EcoBoost, maybe even a little bit quicker. Open the door, kicks it open. Hood, press that twice. What is under the hood? A storage compartment with some cooling fans. Meep. Does this pop open? Oh, you might need to have the charger right next to it. Alright. This is the Select all-wheel drive. Carbonized gray over black, Onyx, Active X. 46,695. But I think this is our demonstrator, so I'm not sure what that's gonna do for pricing. I don't want to let that front bumper smash down. Edge. There's your cross traffic alert. We are in unbridled driving mode, the fastest driving mode there is. Propulsion sound is activated. One pedal driving deactivated. Let's see what this thing's got. It's a Mustang, has to be quick. Not too shabby. I'm not making that. Not too shabby. Obviously, this isn't the GT. See how it does over these bumps. Not too bad. Obviously a little bumpy, but it's not a Raptor. Imagine if they made a Mach E Raptor. Ooh. This thing is just awesome. I love it. It's wireless charging. That is impressive at just how quick. I mean, it's not a Tesla. Don't get me wrong here. It's not a Tesla. It's not that fast. But I'm not begging for more power. It's got more than enough power. You want more power? Get the GT. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.